agachan vainateyopi padamekhan agachati. So actually the first line of the shloka is gachan pipiliko yati yojananam shatanyapi agachan vainateyopi padamekhan agachati. So that's the full shloka. I'm not sure if he has that shloka here. So gachan pipilikaha yati. Pipilika, even a small ant, adurk. Gachat pipilikaha. Gachan pipilikaha yati yojananam shatanyapi. Even an ant, when it starts in the urradum balya, அந்த மாதிரி. So even if it goes, it can travel for hundreds of yojanas. But agachan, yes, give all in the hare and the tortoise madri. So the Garuda is actually faster than the eagle is faster than ant. But if the eagle does not even start from its starting place, padam ekam nagachati. It cannot even move one step. So effort is what is important. அதுக்கு வருது. But let's see how he goes with the trend of the இது
எறும்பூர கல்லும் தேயும் is the problem.
அது ஒண்ணு. ஆமா.
ஓகே ஓகே.
சோ இது வந்து சுபாஷிதமா எதுல இருந்து எடுத்திருக்காரு?
இட்ஸ் சுபாஷிதம் நினைக்கிறேன். கூகுள்ல வேணா அப்படியே பார்க்கறேன் ஏதாவது வருதான்னு அப்புறம். பட் வில் ஸ்டார்ட் த இது.
ஓகே. அகச்சன் வைனதேயோபி பதம் ஏகம் ந கச்சதி. अत्र गम्ल धातोः शत्रु प्रत्ययान्तत्वेन निष्पन्नत्वात् गच्छन् इति रूपं भवति.
So गम्ल धातोः शत्रु प्रत्यय अंतत्वेन, having shatra pratyaya at the end, nishpannatvat, because it is come from gamla plus shatra pratyaya, gachan iti rupam bhavati. So this is the form that you get from gamala plus shatra pratyayam.
अतः उत्तरदेश संयोग अनुकूल व्यापाराश्रयः इत्यर्थो लभ्यते. उत्तरदेश संयोग.
ஒன்னு கச்சதிங்கிறதுக்கு what is the meaning here? Uttaradesha, you are standing in one position, one desham, one particular spot. There is a connection with the next spot. Yeah, that is when you say you have a movement. You leave your connection with the earlier spot and then move your connection towards another spot. So Uttaradesha Samyoga. But what is the Vyaparam? What is the Kriya that is useful for moving from one position to another position? Okay, so Gachan abdingarche Uttaradesha Samyoga Anukulam. Yeah, I think everybody can hear some. Maybe it's an issue with your please check. Okay, so Uttara Deshangarche, there is a next position. From one position it has to move to the next position. Tatra samyogam karayitum yaha anukulaha vyaparaha asti kriya, the action that is anukulam, that is conducive to make you move and connect with the next position. அதுக்கு ஆශ්‍රயம், ஆශ්‍රயம்னா that which is எப்படி சொல்றது, ஆශ්‍රயமா இருக்கக்கூடிய தாத்துங்கிறோம் அந்த அர்த்தம். which is dependent on such a kriya. A word that is dependent on a kriya that is capable of making you move from one place to another place. புரியுதா?
That is gamlu
dhatu. So what is the meaning of the dhatu gach, gam, gach அப்படின்னா, நம்மள வந்து இப்ப அடுத்த பக்கத்து தேசத்தோட ஒரு சேர்க்கைக்கு அனுகூலமா என்ன ஒரு கிரியை உண்டோ அந்த கிரியைக்கு ஆசிரியமாக அந்த தாத்து பதம் இருக்கு. So the padam has to indicate a meaning and that padam depends on the kriya. Vyapara ashrayah dhatuhu. So kidrisha vyaparaha anukula vyaparaha. For what is it anukulam? Uttaradesha samyogaya anukulaha yaha vyaparaha asti. Tad vyaparaha eva kartavyam. Tad vyaparaha कीदृशेन पदेन अत्र सूच्यते इति चेत् तत् पदं तु अत्र गमल धातु. पुरिता?
ओके. तस्य नया सह समासे कृते अगच्छन् इति रूपं भवति. nai, if joined with naiya in samasa, it becomes gachan.
agachan. So this is not agachat, agachatam, agachan iti padam langlakaratnuடைய பகுவச்சனம் இல்ல இது. So this is a nanya samasa, not going.
Okay. एवं च उत्तरदेश संयोग अनुकूल व्यापार भावाश्रयः इत्यर्थः
So what happens now? Abhava ashrayah angro. It is dependent on the absence of a kriya that will help you to have a samyoga, to have a connection with the next space.
विनतायाः अपत्यं पुमान्.
Oh, 1 minute, sorry. Ityarthah paryavasyati. Paryavasyati nale, it ends in the meaning of abhava. Adha.
विनतायाः अपत्यं पुमान् वैनतेयः गरुत्मान् इत्यर्थः. Okay. Vinata's son apathyam na vainateya.
Apatyam is offspring. Puman is male.
Male offspring is called vainateya. Garutman is also known as Garutman.
Garuttangardu feathers. One who has garunti.
Okay. एवं च विष्णुवाहनः बलवान्. He is also Vishnu's Vahanan Solama.
Evam cha na further.
Vehicle of Vishnu is a strong person. Balavan. Atyanta Vegavan api. Garutman.
Extremely speedy. Atyanta Vegavan.
Garutman. Icha Purvakottara देश संयोगानुकूल व्यापाराश्रयो न भवेद्यति एकं पदमपि न गच्छति इति पर्यवसितोऽर्थः. Okay.
Paryavasitah artha, the final meaning is that in Garutman, even though he is the vehicle of Vishnu, he is strong, he has great speed, still Ekam padam api na gacchati. He cannot go even one step. Yadi, if he does not have that particular vyapara, that kriya, that is conducive for him to connect with the next desham. If ichha purvaka uttara desha vyaparaha. So ichha purvakaha vyaparaha. This ichha purvaka goes and connects with vyapara. Okay. Sakriya, prathamam kriyam ichhati. The Garuda should first wish to move. He can just keep on saying and building castles in the air and say, baidla, romba easy. You know, I can easily cross this thing. I can easily do that. I can do that. Can vera actually wishing to do that kriya. Adha ichha purvaka uttaradesha samyoga anukula vyapara ashraya. If he does not become a person who has the kriya, who also wishes to do the kriya of going, then he cannot move at all.
Swalpa jantuhu atyalpa balavan pratikshana mrityuhu pipilikaha analasaha ichcha gamanashrayah bhavedyati yojananam shatanyapi gantum shaknoti. Okay. Swalpa jantuhu, a lowly creature. Atyanta balavan, atyalpa balavan, very very weak. Pratikshana mrityuhu, like it can like die any moment, very fickle lifespan. And pipilikaha analasaha, by not being lazy. Ichcha gamanashrayah, with the will to move. Bhavedyati yojananam shatanyaphi.
So bhavedyadi yadi ichchagamana ashrayah bhavet, that becomes one clause there.
Okay.
Abdi. Tarhi yojananam shatanyapi gantum shaknoti. Then he
can move 100 yojanas. Loke, should I continue?
Yeah, continue one more paragraph.
Loke asmin pravritti nivritti margayya
Margau dvau vidyate.
margau dvau vidyate. Okay. In this world, there are two margas, two paths. Pravritti, nivritti.
Pravritti is that which is prompting you to towards action. Nivritti is that which is prompting you towards inaction, no action. So pravritti marga, nivritti marga.
Okay.
அப்படின்னா you like something, it prompts you to work towards attaining it. You don't like something, it prompts you to be away from it, not act towards getting it. Yeah. So there are two things in the world, two paths that we can adopt. Neutral ngaradu aprom. Neutral comes with nivritti actually. You either go towards something, you act, or you don't act. Idudane.
तयोः अन्यतरस्य प्रथममार्गस्य साधनाय जीवानां
करचरणादि अवयवान्
असृजत् शतानन्दः वा
शतानन्दः ब्रह्मा.
Sorry, I don't know what.
சதானந்தாங்கிறது விஷ்ணு எடுத்துக்கலாம், ஆர் பிரம்மா. இது என்னாச்சு? தயோஹோ அந்யதரஸ்ய. நவ் தயோஹோ, since it is a continuation of the earlier sentence, tayoho dvayoho margayoho, among the two pathways, anyatarasya prathama margasya, the one that is among the two, which is the first one. Tayor anyatarasya, one of the two, which is the first margam, that is pravritti marga. In order to do some action, margasya sadhanaya. So pravritti margasya sadhanaya, as a tool to perform actions, or as a tool to go into the path of pravritti, jivanam asrijat kara charanadi avayavana asrijat shatanandaha. Bhagavan has created asrijat, he has created the parts of the body of hands and legs for the jiva, for the beings, so that we can do action. Yeah, idella karmendriyas nu peru.
Okay, makes sense.
Mahodaya, even for the Nivritti Margam also, if you've already gone something halfway and you want to retract and get back to the initial state, still we have to act, right? For that also we need the avayavaha.
Inaction da venum அந்த இடத்துல. See, this is not about going to someone's house, halfway you decide change and then you come back to your house. Adilla. Pravritti marga is any kind of action. Even going to somebody's house, even coming back to your house is a pravritti there. Nivritti is getting out of all actions and following sannyasa.
Okay, inaction. Okay.
Ama. Inaction is nivritti. இது வந்து, if you look at Gita, the first Shankara Bhashyam of Gita, first section, Upodghata section, talks about these two margam, Pravritti Marga and Nivritti Marga. Prajapatis were created by Brahma for progeny and the creation of this world. That is Pravritti Margam. Nivritti Margam is, he also, Brahma also created Sanat Kumaras and other rishis who teach us about moksha and how you don't involve yourself in anything. That is Nivritti Marga.
இந்த யோஜனா நாம் கூட அந்த ராமாயணத்துல வரும் இல்லையா?
இது யோஜனாங்கிறது it is a distance of measure. அது என்ன 100 யோஜனா தானே. Hanuman also went to Lanka.
जीवाः सर्वे अपि स्वस्वानुकूल व्यापाराय तान् उपयुज्य स्वेच्छानुकूल फलानि अनुभवन्ति. Okay. All jivas, all living beings, according to what is favorable to their work.
Yes, swaswa anukula vyaparaya kriyayai स्वेच्छया क्रियां कर्तुम्.
Whatever is favorable to what they want to do.
Yes. So ஸ்வ தனக்கு அனுகூலமாக இருக்கக்கூடிய வியாபார செயலிற்காக தான் உபயுஜ்ய அந்த கை கால்களை உபயோகித்து
like அது like it's like அது
அவரவருடைய அப்படிங்கிறோம் இல்லையா அதான்
तान् उपयुज्य स्वेच्छानुकूलफलानि अनुभवन्ति like they enjoy the anukula phalani
according to their desire. So they engage, they actually use their different parts of the body for doing work which is anukulam, which is conducive for each one of them, swaswa anukula, and they experience phalam, the result, which is also according to their own wish.
उपरि निर्दिष्टाः अवयवाः स्वल्पदेशगमनाय एव समर्थाः भवन्ति. दूरदेशगमनाय तु विमान धूमशकट द्विचक्र अश्वशकटादिकान् उपयुज्यन्ते. Okay. The above mentioned limbs are just for moving small distance.
Yes. Swalpadesha Gamanaya. They did not know about marathon runners. So Swalpadesha Gamanaya, it is capable of taking you only to a small distance.
For traveling, Duradesha Gamanaya, for going to far off places, aeroplanes, Vimana, Dhuma Shakatana.
So Vimana, each one is different. So Vimana is aeroplane, Dhuma Shakata is train, Dvichakra bicycle.
Bicycle. Ashwachakra horse car.
Steam engine.
Steam engine. Steam engine.
Okay.
Dvichakra is bicycle, Ashwa horse, Shakata adikana carts. तत्तद् यान गमन साध्यफलानि च अनुभूयन्ते. Okay, they also experience sadhyam nale the goal. So they also experience the goals that are attained by going through those vehicles. तत्तद्यान गमनेन साध्यानि यानि फलानि भवन्ति तानि फलानि अपि जनाः अनुभवन्ति. Is that clear? So when you go through the fruits that can be obtained, sadhyam, the fruits that can be, the results that can be obtained by going in that particular, that yanam, that the vehicle, yeah, that is being enjoyed by all the people.
Okay. अतएव विमानम् अधिरुह्य देशान्तरं गत्वा तत् देश विशेष औन्नित्यं दृष्ट्वा तत्तत् समृद्धिमद्भिः ओके समृद्धिमद्भिः देशान्तरैः साकं भारतदेशं तुलयितुं प्रधानमन्त्री यतते.
Okay. So atayeva vimanam adhiruhya deshantaram gatva, everything goes to Pradhana Mantri. Now, so that is why the Prime Minister, what does he do?
He gets on an aeroplane.
Deshantaram gatva.
Going to other countries.
Tattadesha vishesha ಔನ್ನತ್ಯಂ இருக்கும் ದೃಷ್ಟ್ವಾ.
ಓಕೆ ಔನ್ನತ್ಯಂನ ಲೈಕ್
ಉನ್ನತಸ್ಯ ಭಾವಃ ಔನ್ನತ್ಯಂ.
ಓಕೆ
ಉನ್ನತೇಃ ಭಾವಃ ಔನ್ನತ್ಯಂ.
ಓಕೆ
ಉನ್ನತಿಃ
ಉನ್ನತೇಃ ಭಾವಃ ದೃಷ್ಟ್ವಾ ಲೈಕ್ noticing the greatness of other countries.
Progress
okay.
of other countries.
तत्तत् समृद्धि मद्भिः देशान्तरैः साकं. Oh, he wants to compare the progress. Okay.
So he compares Bharatadesham tulayitum. He makes an effort, the Prime Minister makes an effort tulayitum, to compare Bharatadesham along with other countries, deshantaraihi, which tat samriddhibihi, using the progress in that particular field. Samriddhiங்கிறது வந்து prosperity. Yes, prosperity.
Yeah. It was written in the times before like internet, right? So they have to make a physical visit to see what is happening. Yeah.
இல்லைன்னா they had to depend on Reuters, which was started quite early. So yeah, இல்லைன்னா அதனால தானே the trade and all used to happen because of that. So they would go to the other countries, find out what is keeping their wealth, what is how well they were and all that. ಅದಕ್ಕಾக
Paridrishyate chasmabihi.
ಚ ಅಸ್ಮಾಭಿಃ.
Okay, sorry. Okay. Paridrishyate cha asmabihi दूरदेशे गमनाय यादृश वेग विशिष्टोपकरणानि उपयुज्यन्ते इति. अस्माभिः अदृश्यते. It's seen by us. दूरदेशे गमनाय यादृश वेग विशेष. Oh, what kind of वेग विशेषक
वेग विशिष्ट उपकरणं. What kind of speedy இது is used அப்படின்னு
டெக்னாலஜின்னு எடுத்துக்கலாமா?
டெக்னாலஜி இல்ல, ஆக்சுவலி இங்க வந்து பிகாஸ் we are talking about movement, தூரதேச கமனாய in order to travel, what is the travel methods that are being used, faster travel methods that are being used, இல்ல அந்த புல்லட் ட்ரெயின் இருக்கு, அது இருக்கு, அதெல்லாம் அந்த மாதிரி. So you go and check out what are the actually this should come.
ಉಪಕರಣಂನಾಕ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ சொல்லுவால,
instrument which are speedy for traveling to other countries. So paridrishyate cha asmabihi, and it is being seen by us. Iti paridrishyate asmabihi. What is being seen? Duradesha gamanaya yadrisha vega vishishta upakaranani upayujyante iti asmabihi paridrishyate. Abdi connection. I think full stop I put. So and further it is being seen by us what type of tools are being used, what type of speedy tools are being used for travel, long distance travel by them. Seriya? Someone else wants to Pandrela? Shobha, you haven't.
Okay. प्रयत्नपूर्वक प्रवृत्तिं विना लोके कश्चिदपि पुरुषः किञ्चिदपि कार्यं साधयितुं न समर्थो भवति. Without actively engaging or putting effort in this vina, without that, in this world, loke kashchidapi purushah, no man or no person, kinchidapi karyam, not even a little work can be done, sadhayitum na samarthah bhavati, will not be capable of achieving even a little job.
Okay.
एतस्मिन् विषये किञ्चित् पुरावृत्तम् उदाह्रियते. For this on this subject there is a story, that is an old story is given as an example. उदाह्रियते. एकस्मिन् प्रदेशे शशकच्छपौ निवसतः. In one place there was a rabbit and a tortoise that were living. तयोः कालक्रमेण गमनविषयक प्रतिज्ञा समजायत. Between them over time an agreement or a challenge that was established regarding gamana vishya means
travel running or something,
running,
covering race,
race.
In today's language we would have said tayoho madhye spardha asit.
Spardha, competition. Okay.
Very similarly, but here how he has arranged it, see, there was a challenge with regards to covering distance. So gamana vishayaka pratignya samajayata iti.
Okay. कच्छपो गम्यप्रदेशं प्रति यातुं समयम् अनुसृत्य प्रयाणं करोति स्म. The tortoise to reach the place that it should reach, Gamya Pradesham Prati Yatum, to go towards the place it has to reach, Samayam Anusrutya Prayanam Karoti Sma. That means based on the agreement, Samaya here.
Samayam Anusrutyalla, probably spacing out his time.
Oh,
Yeah. Following
Okay.
its own capable, whatever the time.
time.
It started. See, it did not lose heart initially, saying that, oh, this rabbit is the faster animal. I am the slowest. I cannot win. So let me stop. Iti na akarot khalu. Samayam anusritya. You can also say it is following the pact that was there between the two of them. That is also fine. So, which will say that he agreed. According to the agreement, he started on the journey. Or samayam anusritya. Looking at the time, he also started when the clock started. Let's say they said pratignya, the promise is that we will start from this time and to this time. Timed race na starting time is given. The end
At
time
1 o'clock
illiya
will
irukum.
start or something.
1 o'clock the race will start. Tatha.
Yeah.
Prayanam Karoti Sma. It was following the time. Then Shashastu Shigramaham Gamishyami iti buddhya Atyanta Garvaveshena Upeksha Bhavam Kritva Prayanam Na Karot. Shashastu, but the rabbit, Shigramaham Gamishyami iti buddhya. I will go faster. Like that it was thinking, buddhya, in that
Iti
mindset.
chintayitva.
Iti chintayitva. Atyanta Garvaveshena, with a lot of arrogance, Upeksha Bhavam Kritva, showing indifference to that, like neglecting.
Yes.
Kritva Prayanam Na Karot. It did not start the Prayana journey. It didn't start the journey. Tadanim Mandagamana Pravrittihi api Kachapah Gamya Pradesham Pratamameva Jagama. Then, although that slow one with a slow movement, slow gate. The tortoise with the slow gate, Gamya Pradesham, Pratamameva Jagama. It reached first the place that has to be reached, Gamya Pradesha.
Destination sollama.
Destination.
Destination or goal. Okay. Shashastavat Swa Alasatvam Samsmritya Lalajje. The rabbit
Felt ashamed.
Felt ashamed, noticing its own laziness. Swa Alasatvam.
Thinking about its own laziness. Samsmritya.
Gunakarma Vibhaga Purvakam Shatanandena Srishtaha Chaturvarnya Prajaha Swaswa Niyaman Anusrutya Karma Saktaha Yadi Avartishyanta Tadanim Subhikshah Sarva Sasya Sampanno Deshaha Abhavishyat. Lringalakara, right? So, Gunakarma Vibhaga Purvakam Shatanandena Srishtaha Chaturvarnya Prajaha. Based on Gunakarma Vibhaga, the 4 kinds of people that are created by Brahma, Shatananda, Swaswa Niyaman Anusrutya, following their own rules or niyama.
Varnashrama dharma.
Varnashrama dharma. Okay. Karma saktaha yadi avartishyanta. If they follow their niyama and do their karma.
Karma asaktaha. If they were involved in their actions, duties, following their rules. Yeah.
Involved in their duties.
If they had done that, then
Tadanim Subhikshaha, then Sarva Sasya Sampannaha Deshaha. Then the place or the country would be filled with prosperity and good crops. Sarva Sasya Sampannaha. Abhavishat. It would have happened like that if they had followed their duties. Adyatana Kale.
Asakta ಭಜಗೋವಿಂದತ್ಲ ಬರ್ರೆ ಬಾಲಸ್ತಾವತ್
ಕ್ರೀಡಾಸಕ್ತಃ ತರುಣಸ್ತಾವತ್ ತರುಣೀಸಕ್ತಃ ಅದೇ ಇದು ಸಜ್ ನಲೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್
अद्यतनकाले प्रजानामेव प्रभुत्वात् सर्वाः प्रजाः स्वातन्त्र्यम् अवलम्ब्य पूर्वाचरितमार्गान् परित्यज्य स्वकपोलकल्पनानुप्रवृत्तयः भूत्वा देशान्तर आचारादिकान् अनुसृत्य प्रवर्तन्ते. अद्यतनकाले in these days प्रजानामेव प्रभुत्वात् सर्वाः प्रजा because of प्रजाप्रभुत्व that is democracy, right? Or
Yes, Prabhutva, it is the government
people
for
are
the
their
people
own-
by the
people are their own boss
Prabhu,
or what?
boss,
Prabhus.
yes. Yeah. So
Sarvaha
because of democracy in
Democracy.
today's world.
Sarvaha prajaha, all the people, swatantriyam avalambya, based on the freedom they get because of this system, purva acharita margan, that which was followed before, that path, parityajya, having left that, swa kapola kalpananu pravrittayah. So with their own figment of imagination,
Kapola kalpana angarse whatever comes to their mind, whatever comes to their mouth, they just they create the words.
mental imagination.
Avladhan. Yeah.
Bhutva deshantar acharadhikan, following the acharas of other countries or other places, other regions, anusrutya, following that, pravartante, they live like that.
So they, because of democracy.
ಕಪೋಲಂಗರ್ತಗ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ
Kapola is cheeks, Kalpana is creation. So cheek angarche, it is actually a lakshana. It's a conventional way of saying that it is their own imagination, or they just create their own rules and they follow it. Adhika.
According to their own whims.
Whims and fancies.
Yeah. Whims and fancies. Okay. अतएव स्वस्वकर्मानुरूपफलं न अनुभूयते. That is why they're based, they do not experience the results based on their duties, sir. Based on
The
their
result is not experienced. The result which is based on anurupa karma, the karma that is anurupam for, or the result, say, because there is no role clarity. No, we get confused by the roles that we have to play in this world. So asya karmanaha etadeva anurupam phalam bhavati iti vidhiyate, because of varnashrama dharma, and varnashrama dharma the karmas that you do according to varnashrama dharma gives you a certain kinds of result. But today we see that the result is not anukulam for the karma that we do today, but we are not doing what is vidhiyate. So that is why atayeva swaswa karmanam anurupam phalam na anubhuyate. It is not being enjoyed.
அதுல தமிழ்ல ஒண்ணு சொல்லுவா, தடி எடுத்தவன்லாம் தண்டல்காரன்பா. அவ ஒரு ரூல் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டு
கரெக்ட். அதே அப்போ அவ ரூல் ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டு பண்றச்சு செயலுக்கு மாத்திரம் கரெக்டான பலன் எதிர்பார்க்கிறோம் இல்லையா? we think we have to experience this kind of a fruit because we have done this work, but then we don't realize that that particular work has so much of implications in other areas that we may not be aware of. இல்லையா?
Is it like a brahmana doing a trade, like and then he's not suitable for that, but he tries to do that and he won't get the success,
proper phalam. Yes, he is not able to achieve the same kind of result because the mentality is very different from that of a Vaishya, maybe. But over centuries, things have changed in today's world. You know, there are people who are businessmen in all varnas.
Yeah,
successful businessmen also.
But guna karma, based on that, we have to, like, based on our guna karma, we have to do it, right? Yeah.
Exactly. That is what happens today. More than varnashrama, now it has become a guna karma vibhaga.
Okay.
Gunakarma Gunakarma vibhagana, like what?
If you have that particular quality in you, you pursue that art. Inniki vandu I say I am inclined to do teaching, so I do teaching. I am inclined to do business, So I have that business bent of mind, I do. So it depends on each. Every Brahmana in today's world cannot be an Adhyapaka, one who does Adhyayanam or Adhyapanam. He is not able to do that. He also becomes a worker. There are some people who go to the army. There are some people who work in the government, who become prime ministers and rulers of the country, rulers of organizations. So each one, according to what is their capability, they have started working. And over years, the DNA and the samskara works to improve that kind of a mentality in them. So they end up doing things according to their samskara and according to what they are capable.
Okay. I thought so it has got something to do with the sattva raja tamo guna.
Appadi,
Not
appadi.
like that. Okay, got it.
Or it could also be the team playing and whether each one does their assigned role properly or not.
அப்படின்னா புரியல.
Like a team playing means like each one should have everyone should have a assigned role and assigned duties, and if they don't want to do their own duties and want to do some other duties favorable to them which is assigned to some other person, then also desired result will not be attained.
அது ஓகே, பட் இங்க வந்து the thing that we are trying to establish here is it is not about team play. It is more about an individual person, what he has to do versus what has been prescribed in the Shastras. That is what is being talked about here.
Each one does according to their own wish they do instead of following the established norms.
Yes, established norms. This is more to do with the Chaturvanya Niyamaha. Adinala they are unable to achieve the result that they get. They think they should get.
अलसत्वं परित्यज्य सर्वाः प्रजाः स्वस्वकर्मासु कर्मसु, right? Yeah. Okay. प्रवृत्तेरन् इति अभ्यर्थये. It's in Uttama Purusha, no? Abhyarthaye. Suddenly it came to Uttama Purusha, right?
He is talking now to the
to us, okay.
to the audience.
So alasatvam parityajya, letting go of the laziness, sarvaha prajaha, all the people, swasva karmasu, in their own duties, pravarteran, they should engage in their own duties, iti abhyarte, like that I request. Okay.
பிசிச்சுன்னு சொல்லாமா அர்த்தம்?
अनलसत्वे न अलसम् अनलसं, right? अनलसत्वे प्रयोजनप्रदर्शिकां वा, what is that?
प्रयोजनप्रदर्शिकां कथामेकं
कथयामि.
एकां कथयामि.
अनलसत्वे, that means not
when
being
you are
lazy.
not lazy.
When you're not lazy. Prayojana, the use of that which demonstrates the prayojana of that, the katha which demonstrates the prayojana of not being lazy, I'm going to tell you.
So let me tell you a story which conveys, which shows pradarshika, which shows the purpose in the quality of not being lazy.
Okay. This is like a drishtantam, right? Whatever it is.
Drishtanta katha. Katha. Udaharanam.
Shrunuta. Listen to that. आसीदस्मिन् महीपीठे विवेकवान् बहुपुत्रः द्विषत्तिमिरभास्करः सद्गुणहंसानां सरः दोषतृणहुताशनः मण्डपो नाम राजा. In this earth, on this earth, there was a king named Mandapa who was Vivekavan, who had the discrimination capability. Bahuputraha, who had many kids. Dvishat Timira Bhaskaraha. He's like a sun who is enemy to the darkness, right?
He is like the sun which is, he is like the sun to the darkness. To the enemies who are in the form of darkness. or
Okay.
the enemies are
darkness,
darkness. The Raja is the Bhaskara.
Just like how sun is to the darkness, he was to his enemies.
Yes.
Right? And Sadguna Hamsanam Saraha, he was a lake of all gunas which are like the Hamsa on the lake, right? Like that.
So just as how the swans go to reside in a lake, in the same way he is like the repository, the for all the good qualities which are like swans.
Okay. दोषतृण हुताशनः दोषमेव तृणः इति वा दोषः एव तृणः तृणानि ओके तस्य हुताशनः he was like the fire to all the defects, right, all the problems. And then his name was Mandapa. तस्य सर्वसौभाग्यवलिता अवनौ उदिता कमला इव विलासिनी लीला नाम भार्या आसीत्. For him, there was a wife. He had a wife named Leela, who was Sarva Saubhagya Valita. She was bestowed with all the good qualities or Saubhagya, auspiciousness. And Avanau Udita Kamala Iva. She was like a lotus bloomed on the earth.
Okay.
Vilasini, she was shining like a lotus bloomed on earth, and her name was Leela.
Vilasini is more graceful actually. Vilasaha is like a grace. Vilasini can be a woman also, but more like one who has the charms, feminine charms.
Okay.
Vilasa.
Vilasini. Sa
Beauty.
सा पत्यौ मुदिते मुदिता आकुलिते समाकुलिता संस्क्रुद्धे केवलं भीता बभूव. When her husband was happy, muditah, she was also happy. She was also rejoicing when he was
so
happy.
patyau mudite sati saptami tatra. When her husband was happy, she was also happy. Mudita.
When her husband was worried, akulita, she was also akulita. She was also worried. And then when he was angry, samskruddhe, she was just scared. She was not angry.
Today we will be angry. No. The temperature will just rise more today.
Sa shubha sankalpa shalini प्राणेभ्योऽपि प्रियः एषः जगतीपतिः अजरामरः कथं स्यात् इति चिन्तयामासा. She had with a good intention, Shubha Sankalpa Shalini. Pranebhyah api priyah eshah jagatipatihi. This king who is more dearer than my pranas, my life. Ajaramarah katam syat. How can he not have Jara and Marana? How can he not have...
How can he be eternal? So she is trying to think of a method for that.
So that he will be always young and long live, never dying. Iti chintayamasa. Yugashatanyapi etadrisha premna anena bhartra katam rameya iti विचिकित्सया ज्ञानवृद्धान् वयोवृद्धान् विद्यावृद्धान् द्विजान् आकारणं कृत्वा तान् सम्पूज्य नता सती अमरत्वं कथं भवेत् इत्यपृच्छत्. युगशतान्यपि एतादृशप्रेम्णा अनेन भर्त्रा कथं रमेय. For hundreds of years with this husband, how can I enjoy?
Hundreds of yugas, not just years.
Oh God, hundreds of yugas. How can I rejoice in the love of this husband?
Anena bhartra saha, with this husband, etadrisha premna, with the same kind of love. So prema is a bhava there. Anena bhartra becomes along with her husband. So etadrisha premna saha, anena bhartra cha saha. Katham rameya.
with her husband.
Ah,
How can I rejoice? How can I continue to rejoice for hundreds of yugas?
Rameya. Rameya iti? What is the lakara?
Rame.
Vidhiling uttama
Vidhiling
purusha
uttama purusha, no?
Yes.
ekavachanam.
Ramet rametam rameyuh. Ramehe rametam rameya. Iti vichikitsaya.
With why
With this
that,
doubt.
doubt
Question,
she,
na?
she akaranam is ahvanam, right?
Yes.
She invited Gnana Vriddhas, those who are well knowledgeable, and those who are old in their age, Vayo Vriddha, and Vidya Vriddha, who are very well skilled, and Dvijaha, Brahmanas. She called all of them, Akaranam Kritva, she called all of them, and then Tan Sampujya Natasati, having worshipped them and bowing to them, she asked, Amaratvam katam bhavet iti apruchat. She asked, how can there be amaratva? What do you say?
Immortality.
Immortality, correct.
Okay.
ಜ್ಞಾನೇನ ವೃದ್ಧಾಃ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ವೃದ್ಧಾಃ ಅರ್ಥಮಾ?
Guna
No,
tritiya.
separate, right? Here it is given separate.
இல்ல இல்ல இதுக்கு கேக்குறா விக்கிரக வாக்கியம் எப்படின்னு கேக்குறா. ஞானேன விருத்தகாவா, அதாவது ஞானே விருத்தகான்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஞான விஷய விருத்தக. அந்த சப்தமியை விட
they may be young in age because next வயோ விருத்தா வருது. those who are
Experienced.
கரெக்ட் கரெக்ட்.
हिंदी சொல்ல मेरा बाल धूप में सफेद नहीं हो गया अंबा, அந்த மாதிரி வயோ விருத்தாः. but ஞான விருத்தாः வித்யா விருத்தாः could be young people also.
Yes, yes. ஆமா.
Obviously they could be, but வயோ விருத்தாः is just
old age by age.
criterion. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. So ஞானே 7th விட 3rd I think is best. Tritiya Tatpurusha has a sutram. For Saptami we have to do Saptamiki illana we have to do Yoga Vibhaga. Saptami Shaundaihi.
Saptamina sound
Shabda, that group should come.
Okay.
So otherwise it can't. So we'll take it as Tritiya Tatpurusha.
ते तु सिद्धयः तपोजपनियमैः सम्प्राप्यन्ते. Those siddhayah means those who are accomplished.
No, I think it should be like this. Tetu siddhayah tapojapaniyamaihi samprapyante kintu kathanchana amaratvam na labhyate iti pratyuttarayan chakruhu. That should be there. Tapas, japa and niyama. By doing penance, chanting and niyama, following rules, siddhayaha samprapyante. All the kinds of ashtama siddhi, you know, gurutvam, lagutvam, laghima, garima, anima, laghima, garima, all that can be possible. Kintu, but why is it? No, the amaratvam katham labhyate? How can we not get amaratvam?
Katanchana amaratvam na labhyate. But amaratva cannot be obtained. Labhyate.
Illa, na double na is there.
Amaratvam na labhyate. Immortality cannot be obtained, right? That's what.
How is it that immortality cannot be obtained? So which means immortality can also be obtained. Ityeva, correct?
Or is it a typo? I was wondering. Katanchana and then amaratvam. That.
Oh, I'll check the text 1 minute.
Otherwise, double thing means the next for the story it doesn't go well. I think.
It doesn't go well? Okay. I have not read it. I have to check. Kathancha na amaratvam na labhyate. It is very separate here.
See, that says no pratyuttarayan chakruhu. They themselves started asking.
Illa, pratyuttarayan chakruhu na they replied in artham.
Replied. Okay.
Prati
However,
uttarati.
immortality cannot be attained. However, in whatever way.
However, kintu, but kathancha
Katancha is not a.
Katanchana or Katanchit, something like that we can.
Katanchana, what you said when you told us,
ಕಥಂಚನ ಅಮರತ್ವಂ ನ ಲಭ್ಯತೆ.
correct.
There is okay. Okay,
there is
you are
no
splitting
double-
it that way. Okay, no double negative. Then you can say kathanchana. In no ever way can amaratvam be obtained. Kathanchidapi.
Pratyuttarayanchakruhu. How do you separate?
Uttarayati. Pratyuttaram. Pratyuttaram karoti iti pratyuttarayati. Namadhatu. And then pratyuttarayanchakruhu. Litlakara.
लिट्लकार
तदानीं प्रियवियोगतो भीता वर्षसहस्रेणापि आदौ भर्ता मरिष्यति चेत् अस्मात् शुद्धान्तमण्डपात् जीवः यथा न यास्यति तथा कर्तुं प्रयतिष्ये. तदानीं प्रियवियोगतः भीता. Then she was scared that she will lose her husband. When she loses her husband, she was scared because of losing her husband.
Okay.
वर्षसहस्रेणापि आदौ भर्ता मरिष्यति चेत्. If her husband dies before 1,000 years, what is
न वर्षसहस्रेण अपि आदौ भर्ता मरिष्यति चेत् अस्मात् शुद्धान्तमण्डपात् जीवः यथा न यास्यति तथा कर्तुं प्रयतिष्ये. So even after thousands of years, if the husband dies first, I will ensure that he does not move out of this antapura mandapam. Shuddhanta mandapat jivaha yatha na yasyati. His life, pranan, the way I will try somehow to ensure that his life does not go out of this antappuram.
okay?
And I will protect my husband. Bhartra avalokita yatha sukham vivatsyami.
Okay.
Is it
So-
like about to die or when he dies? If my husband about to die or when he
About to
dies?
die illa. When he dies first.
Although before she dies, if he dies first.
If
That
he
is what-
dies, then what I will do is like Satyavan Savitri, she Bhartra avalokita sati, the husband's life will not go out, and then she will live yatha sukham nivatsyami. I will live here as I wish, being seen by my husband in the jiva form. Preta rupam.
Not Preta Rupam, just that life is there. Pranas is there.
Pranas. Iti nischitya, having decided in this manner, Jnapti.
Napti rupam saraswatim aradhitum arebhe.
निवत्स्यामि अन्न I didn't get
I will live.
Litlakaraha.
Nivasati nivatsyami.
okay I will live.
Bhartravalokita yatha sukham means
Yatha sukham, as before, thinking that my husband will keep looking at me. I will ensure that the jiva does not get out of this antappuram, and then he will be here only. Only if he steps out of this antappuram will he die. Illaya? Andamari.
Oh, Yatha Sukham is not like Yatha Shakti. I will live as happily as possible.
Like before da, yatha sukham. Sukham anatikramya dane. Happily like before. With the mind that my husband is looking at me.
comfortably I'll live.
Comfortable.
Okay.
Jnapti Rupam Saraswati Aradhitum Arebhe, she started to worship Saraswati, who is of the form of Jnapti. Jnapti na knowledge.
Amarakosha, Buddhi, Gnapti, all those are synonyms.
Buddhi Rupam.
तदा तस्याः जप उपवास नियमैः अतीव सन्तुष्टा प्रत्यक्षा भूत्वा सरस्वती तव भर्तृभक्त्या तुष्टास्मि वरं वृणीष्व इति अवादीत्. Then because of her japa and upavasa and niyama, Saraswati was extremely happy, and she appeared in front of her and told, "Tava bhartru bhaktya tushtosmi." I'm happy, I'm satisfied, or I'm happy that you happy for
I'm pleased by your
happiness.
devotion towards your husband.
Pleased, pleased.
Tushtasmi.
Okay.
Varam vrinishva.
Varam vrinishva, ask for the boon. Tada sa Leela videhasya mama bhartrujeevah.
Appa, I would have forgotten her name. That Leela came back again. That is her name.
Yeah. विदेहस्य मम भर्तृजीवः निजान्तःपुरमण्डपात् यथा न यास्यति तथा वरं देहि इत्युक्त्वा यदा त्वां स्मरामि तदा त्वं प्रत्यक्षा भवेः इति वरम् अवृणोत्. When my Videha means without Sharira, right? Without
That's
the
what I said.
body.
Preta Rupam.
मम भर्तृजीवः निजान्तः पुरमण्डपात् यथा न यास्यति. My husband's life should not go away from this antahpura mandapa. Like that, I want the boon. I want the boon.
Give me a varam. Varam dehi. Give me the boon in such a manner that my husband's life will not, even after going out of his body, it will not go out of the antahpura.
Antahpura. Okay.
Means it will not go to the Chandramandalam, Brahmalokam.
Whatever lokam, narakam,
எதுக்கு
swargam.
சரஸ்வதி போய் கேட்டா of all the people?
நல்ல question.
Very easy, right? Because Brahma's wife.
சிருஷ்டிங்கிறதுக்காக.
அவ இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் பண்ணுவான்ட்டா பிரம்மாவை.
Okay.
நான் ஏதோ ஜீவா பிரம்மன் ஞானம் அப்படி யோசிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன் இங்க.
கரெக்டா எங்க யார எங்க தட்டுனா எங்க விழுன்னு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கு அவளுக்கு.
கரெக்ட் தான். சிருஷ்டி யதா த்வாம் ஸ்மராமி
तदा त्वां प्रत्यक्षा भवेः. When I think about you, I want you to appear in front of me. इति वरम् अवृणोत्. तदा देवी तथास्तु इत्युक्त्वा अन्तर्धदे. Then goddess said, maybe it's so, and then she disappeared. Then कतिपयवत्सरेषु गतेषु भर्ता चैतन्यरहितवान् आसीत्. After few years, the husband became lifeless. तदानीम् अतिदुःखिता सा लीला सरस्वतीं सस्मार. Then his wife Leela is very sad, atidukita, and then she thought about Saraswati. Tada pratyaksha vani. Then Saraswati appeared in front of her. Tvam sukshma shariram ashritya maya saha agamishyasi chet tava bhartaram darshayishyami iti avochat. If you get the Sukshma Sharira and come along with me, then I can show you your husband.
That is, you cannot come with your subtle, the gross body, you have to come with a subtle body.
Subtle body. Okay. Tada ati kashtan yama niyama asana pranayama pratyahara dhyana dharanadi niyamaihi निर्विकल्प समाधिं संप्राप्य सूक्ष्म शरीरं धृत्वा लोकान्तरे सर्वलक्षण संपन्नं भर्तारं दृष्ट्वा ततोपि दूरदेशस्थितः ऊर्ध्वलोकान् संचार्य पुनः सरस्वत्या सह आगत्य सर्वभर्तारं स्वभर्तारं उज्जीवयामास. Then atikashtan, then the very difficult yama niyama asana pranayama pratyahara dhyana dhara.
இதெல்லாம் ஒன்னொன்னு. Yama is control of sense organs, niyama are following rules, asana is yogasanam, pranayama control of breath, pratyahara is control of inner mind and sense organs together, dhyanam meditation. Dharana is keeping it in the Ashtanga Yogathanuடைய one steps. Yeah. Dharanadi niyamaihi. Nirvikalpaka samadhim is where you don't have the knowledge of anything other than the self. Tatha. Samprapya, having obtained that final level of meditation.
You become one with the object.
Brahman.
Right? Samprapya Sukshma Shariram Dritva, then having got that subtle body. Lokantare Sarvalakshana Sampannam Bhartaram Drishtva. In other world, she saw her husband who was endowed with all the Lakshana, all the auspicious Lakshana.
Qualities.
Qualities. ततोपि दूरदेशस्थित ऊर्ध्वलोकान् सञ्चार्य from there she went to further higher lokas, right? Higher worlds.
Sancharya
there
is
she
after having gone to roamed around
roamed around.
in all the upper worlds.
पुनः सरस्वत्या सह आगत्य again she came and met Saraswati, and then
She came with the Saraswati. She had to travel with her only, no?
Agatya. Okay. Okay. She came with Saraswati and Swabhartaram Ujjivayamasa means she made her husband come alive again.
Yes. Because
my
she
God.
got all these siddhis now. She can give him life.
I think that's why Janani wrote she should have died first or something.
What would have happened if she had died first?
இல்ல அங்க லோகாந்தரே சர்வ லட்சண சம்பன்னம் பர்த்தாரம் திருஷ்டுவான் போட்டிருக்கே.
அது வந்து சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம் பர்த்துஹு சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம் தத்ர வர்த்ததே. இப்ப திருப்பி ஹேவிங் கம்மன் இங்க அந்த அந்த சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரத்தை கொண்டு வந்து she was able to join it with this சரீரம் here, assuming it was embalmed.
Request for but her original request was after he dies the prana should not leave
not
the
go.
Antapuram.
Exactly. But then Saraswati says the pranan has its own I will show you where your husband is in Aishan Pora. That's all.
So prana is inside the Antapuram and
பிராணன் இருக்கு, சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம் வேற எங்கேயோ உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்கு. அதுக்கப்புறம் அதை யூ ஹாவ் டு நாட் த பிராணன், த ஜீவா. ஸோ ஆக்சுவலி என்னன்னா இட் இஸ் ஒன்லி த சரீரம் தட் இஸ் தேர் இன் தி அந்தப்புரம். He himself has gone with this sukshma sharira to some other lokam. That is fine. But she was able to bring him back. அதுதான் அங்க point.
Okay.
So Saraswati gave her the capability of bringing him back to life. In other words. So it is just that agachannuku badala gachan shatayojanam api gacchati. அதுதான் அங்க point. अतः
अनलसत्वेन असाध्यं किमपि नास्ति इति व्यञ्जयन्ती इयं कथा.
व्यञ्जयन्ती इयं कथा अस्ति इति. So it is a Shatra Pratyaya. This story is a revelation that Analasattvena asadhyam kimapi nasti. There is nothing impossible to achieve if you are not lazy.
उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि
न मनोरथे
नहि
नहि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य
मुखे मुखे प्रविशन्ति मृगाः.
गच्छत् पिपीलिको याति योजनानां शतान्यपि अगच्छत् वैनतेयोऽपि पदमेकं न
It
गच्छति.
should be in. Both has to be in because it is a pullinga padam. So agachan gachan ityeva. Change it.
प्रथमा शत्रु प्रथमा
iti aryoktim prabodhayati. This is reminding us of this.
Reminds
Okay.
of this. Okay.
Yeah. Sure.